Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you hide the apps on Samsung phone. Now, if you want to hide the apps on Samsung phone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, if you are planning to hide certain app from your Samsung phone but you don't know how to do it, then you just need to go on the home screen of your Samsung phone and you just need to long press on phone like this. And here you'll see the option of wallpaper install, themes, widget, and settings. So click on the last option, which is settings, and from here you may simply select the option of app label, and from here you will see the option of app label, widget label, home screen layout, home screen grid, and all of it. And if you scroll down a bit, here you will see the option of hide apps on home screen. So as you can see, here is the option of hide apps on home screen. So if you click on it, here it will show you all the app which has been installed on the device. So you just need to select the app which you want to hide. So let's say if I want to hide the Binomo app, I'll simply select the app like this and click on the option of done. So after selecting the option of done, if you go back on a home screen on a Samsung, the app has been disappeared from a home screen. So that's it. That's how you can hide the apps on Samsung phone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.